Okay, I'm at the entrance to a cave. I don't see a name tag on this cave, but from the location, I don't think it could be very big. So I'm gonna see if I can find anything good in here. Okay, I stand corrected. All right, well, I'm going in. Wow. Neat little cave. Oh, cool. Whoops. Oh, yeah. Cool. Yeah, I'm not gonna bother to climb up there today. I'll make a mental note of it. Wow. Well, it's a lot bigger than I was expecting. Huh. This entrance looks kind of small, but oh, come on. This is, wow. Okay, so let me go up here, look for nameplate, then turn around. Oh, okay, here we are. Velcro Alley. All right, good to know. 265, Velcro Alley C265. C265. Okay, good to know. All right, I'm gonna go down feet first. Just because it's downhill. Excuse me. Okay, well, there's Velcro Alley Cave.